In this example, we are trying to plot a graph or a line when we're given the equation. To find that, obviously we need the gradient and we need the y-intercept, and we can use what we're told to graph it straight away. With the example here on the left, we can see that the y-intercept, remembering y equals mx plus c, where the c is the y-intercept, is positive 3. So on our graph, x and y axes, we can go up to positive 3, which is here, and we know that the line has to touch through there. To then plot the graph correctly, we need to use the gradient. The gradient would normally be found here. Because there's nothing there, we know that that's a 1, because we never write 1x, do we? We always just write x. So 1 is the gradient, and if we were to put that into rise over run, that would be 1 over 1. So the easiest thing to do is to just start at the point and go up 1 and across 1. Then we find our second point. Once we've found that, we simply just have to connect the line the whole way through. Now we know that this is definitely correct, because if we choose 2 more points and we do the rise over the run, in this case it's 2 over 2, and 2 over 2 equals 1, so the gradient is 1. So this here is the correct line for this question. Quickly, if we have a look at a second one, we can see that the gradient is more than 1. So we'll quickly do this. The y-intercept in this case is minus 4, so we go to the y-axis, we go down to negative 4, which is here, and then we use the 4 for the rise over the run, which in this case is 4 over 1, because we've got a whole number, the gradient being 4, we simply put that over 1, because that's what it is as a fraction. So we start at our point and we go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go across 1 for our second point. Now all we simply have to do is connect the line. Now you guys would obviously rule this line, and that line would continue all the way through. Again, to check it, what we could do is choose 2 points, might be this one and this one, draw our triangle. How many have we run? Well, that's 2. How many have we risen? Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 over 2 equals 4.